Right then, so back at Mr. Hughes' place for another abandoned tank episode, but had a little problem. The parts still haven't fucking come, so we're waiting on water pipes. What else are we waiting for, Joe? So yeah, we're waiting for basically a lot of parts. So we're going to show you another abandoned vehicle today. Now, we could have showed you the abandoned Ford 550 Power Joke, but I think that's beyond hope. Various abandoned forklifts. Range Rover that needs to be abandoned. The abandoned Seahawk, which I think we get more questions about the Seahawk on every video. Shall we show them the Seahawk? So you wanted to see the Seahawk? There's a Seahawk. I don't think we're going to take the tarp off because it's 7 o'clock and I need to go and have a beer. But there is the Seahawk. The wings for it are here somewhere. Is your dad using them as a workbench? What? The wings? Yeah, he's going to make them into a coffee bar. Yeah, so the wings are going to be a coffee bar. I mean, what else for the Navy? But this one's still got the engine in, hasn't it? Yeah. Yeah. Try and get it running. So we will at some point attempt to make this run. But we're going to do that last because it probably will explode, fireball, and yeah. But she is fairly complete. I believe someone were commenting on one of these videos that they stole some parts off her for something else. Please bring them back. Yeah, if you stole them, we would like those back. But yeah, we will attempt to get this running at some point. But for now, we've, well, I say we, Joe, because he couldn't finish that, instead of tracking down the parts for it, he's gone and bought something else, which is obviously the sensible thing to do. So I will cut to the new vehicle now and show you what he's bought. Now, it's in a lot better condition now than when he bought it. It was acquired from, was it York? Yeah, it was the gate guard outside the barracks at York. So yeah, it was the gate guard at York Barracks. Served in Ireland, I believe, yeah, in the Troubles. Marmon, which is apparently where that vehicle and a few others broke into the no-go areas when obviously when everything was kicking off in Northern Ireland and opened everywhere up. So that particular vehicle is on the internet. The registration and that was sort of. And we've got it right this time that it was that vehicle. Generally right. It's quite a rare one. This is a hero for once, not one that was. Not like this one that was just a training machine. But it was a hero in its own way. It trained people, and it will be a hero once more. But yeah, so we'll cut to the new acquisition. Again, same as this old piece of junk. If anyone recognises it, served on it, let us know. Obviously not the Series 3, that's broken. TD5, that's broken. There's a Cummins up there, which it's a Cummins, it's obviously broken. But yeah, we will cut to the new project and we'll go have a little fun with it. Like I say, when it came here, the engine was seized. It wasn't painted, it's been stripped down, painted. So yeah, let us know what you think. Almost! successful test drive. I'll show you what we've done. So this is it Alvis Saladin?
Alvis Saladin, yep.
Alvis Saladin, 6-wheel drive, armoured fighting vehicle, 6-cylinder Rolls Royce.
No. 8-cylinder.
8-cylinder.
Inline 8.
Inline 8 Rolls Royce, sorry, I was wrong there. So today we put all this radiator package back in, the fan package, dicked about with it, broke all the radiator belts, fan belts, sorry. So we ran it without today just to check that everything holds water, but we've got new ones being sourced. But now we know that the system holds water, it's worth us doing that. So engine back there, 6-wheel drive,
Pre-selector gearbox.
Pre-selector gearbox. So basically, it's DSG. It's a Golf G. It's the Golf GTI of the armoured car world.
We're also waiting on light.
Yeah, we're waiting on lights.
Apart from waiting seems to be our biggest downfall.
Yeah.
Periscopes.
Turns out.
Periscopes. If anyone's got periscopes, we need a full set.
Yeah. So periscopes. If there's any military guys have got those, we would be interested.
We've got a brand new gunner's one. It's a small one we haven't got.
And
if anyone's got the bins that went on the top here.
So yeah, so bins for the tops would be we would be very grateful.
Do with a full set of top bins.
Inside, the hatches on this actually open, which is our amazingly safe fuel tank setup.
Temporary fuel tank.
Yeah, right. Yeah, it's temporary for now. So these are the two gunners' seats, or spotter and gunner, and then the poor bastard driver sits down there in the front, and it's not the most pleasant of places. We have Tiny Jack as our driver for obvious reasons. But apparently he was a tall tank man because he's 5'6".
With his boots on.
With his boots on and his high heels and. But yeah, so that's inside. All this works, we found out today.
Get inside.
Which, yeah, if you
nimbly get in.
If Joe nimbly gets inside, he can demonstrate the turret. Now, I've got to say, he was tracking me with the turret when I was chasing him in the Range Rover, and it is quite a sight when you see that great big barrel come round and start pointing at your car. But there we go, so it's live now. And there she goes. And smacks me in the bollocks, but now if you imagine this coming at you, there we go. So yeah, this one is getting close to being done. Once we sort the belts out on there, we'll get the lights working.
Good clean up in the turret.
Good clean up inside, and maybe a bit of paint inside just to tidy it up a bit. But this one is going to be for sale to help fund the barv and other upcoming secret projects. So if anyone is interested in this, it's obviously not a concourse example, but
we could also do with a scrap car donation for tank fodder for the Cent.
Yeah, so when we get the Centurion running, we will be crushing a car. So if anyone has a donation of a car, preferably French, we would be grateful. But yeah, if anyone would be interested in this thing, like I say, it's not a showroom example, it's a usable, workable.
More history than anyone you'll probably ever find.
Yeah, it's probably got the most provenance.
That's the word.
And seen the most action of any Saladin. But yeah, we would be interested. It is for sale, or if you have something interesting to swap.
Yes, that's even better.
And what's behind you, Joe? Because we keep getting asked about that one as well.
Jet Provis.
Was that the training
vehicle? Training plane. Still got some masking tape on it.
But yeah, that one unfortunately doesn't have an engine.
No, it's just a static display. We do have the covers and the drop tanks and the rear, all the bollocks, but I just haven't had time to.
But we do have a sneaky plan to make that fly, which may or may not happen.
With an excavator.
Shh, don't tell them. Somebody will call health and safety on us again.
Crane.
Yeah, we'll be doing it safely. But anyway, just because we couldn't do any more tank videos until we get parts, we thought we'd show you this this little beauty.
Basically, this has been 2 weeks of sanding, blasting and messing around. This has been a fairly quick turnaround, hasn't it, really?
Yeah, I haven't been here for much of this because unfortunately I have to go work on boring things. But yeah, once those belts are sorted out, this is a good runner driver. So yeah, if anyone is interested in it, let us know. It might be at Harbour at War, this one.
Yeah, maybe.
If it isn't already sold. The barv, centurion barv,
will be there, provided we can get it going.
and yeah, that's the big battle on that one. But we're on target. To be fair, once we get the parts, 2 good weekends should have the cent up and running.
Okay.
Maybe.
I
But
think probably 1 good weekend. I've got all week to fanny around with the little bits.
yeah, but on that note, I'm going to fuck off home and have a shower and some barbecue. But yeah, like I said, any parts for this, anyone who served on it, let us know. And yeah, I'll see thee.
We'll probably tell them the registration, which isn't on it. But we'll put that in.
I'll put the registration of it in the description. Right then, on that note.
Cheers then.